Hey Mally Cats, are you ready for another Mally Made tutorial? If not, you better be because this is my second attempt. You already know the drill, go ahead and prep your eyes with a good eyeshadow base or concealer. Let that set for a minute. So I randomly grabbed this palette I have never used out of my makeup stash and we're just going to see how this goes. I'm using the Huda Beauty Wild Obsessions Jaguar palette. So I'm starting off with what I thought was taupe, but upon applying it to my actual eyelid, it is really gray and very cool, and oh my gosh, I'm panicking. Cool tones are not my forte, so I am just hoping for the best right now. Next, I am taking this brown shade, which does apply a lot darker than how it looks in the palette. I just do my best to blend it into the previous shade. Next, I am taking black and I'm going to apply it to the outer V of my eye and try to blend it as best as I can. With my finger, I'm going to apply this metallic green over my lid. Now it's starting to look like less of a mess, so I'm hopeful this won't be failed attempt number 2. I'm taking this lavender shade and applying it to the inner corners of my eyes. It's definitely interesting. With a Q-tip and my micellar water, I'm going to erase the area where I'm going to put my colored eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I used Inglot mixing medium with a couple eyeshadows to get this shade. To make this really pop, I'm going to attempt to make this a graphic eyeliner by outlining it with black eyeliner. That way we can have some cool color block action going on. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with some of the shades from earlier and a pencil brush. I'm now tightlining my waterline with KVD Super Pomade in white. And moving on to my face. This is definitely one of those trust the process looks. The first half was very iffy, but also I was very determined to not make this my second failed attempt. If there's one thing I hate wasting, it's definitely my time. If it sounds like I'm over it, I am. By this time, I seriously needed a nap. But I was determined to finish so I could put up a tutorial today for all you fine people. This isn't my best, but not gonna lie, I did make this look happen. This also shows that I need to step out of my comfort zone more often because this look is low-key fire. Well, that's all for now. Until next time, Mally Cats.